Welcome guys. So this is my welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is 268 complexity number. So basically somebody give you contains n distinct number from 0 to n, but the problem is that one is missing. So 301, then you should say, oh, I give you 0 1 2 3, but you miss 1 2, you miss 2. Okay, and from this you miss 8. So this is very easy. The linear time, you have a very concrete linear time algorithm. You just scan for this list, and then you scan the list from 0 to n plus 1, 0 to n plus 1. So you from 0 1 2 and 2 and 1 0 1 2 and up to n. And if you find some number which is not in the list, then just return. Okay, so basically, you first calculate the length plus 1. So this means that you use from 0 to 0, 1, 2, and n. So you scan from 0 to n, and then if you see some number which is not in the list, is not in the list. So for example, 2 is not in the list, then you just return 2. Okay, so very easy solution. Can solve this question. So stupid, but linear time. So from complexity of view, I think this is the only very so for the complexity of view, the O(n) time is the maximum, it's the minimum time. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video.